Hey everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to get unlimited coins on TikTok using a special method called TikTok++. This is a brand new method that allows you to get coins. Just take a look at my TikTok app, and as you can see, this really works. So guys, if you also want to use this, keep watching this tutorial. First, let me remind you that this works for both iOS and Android devices. However, if you are using an iOS device, we need to adjust some settings. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. First, go to your settings, then to the battery section, and make sure that the low power mode feature is disabled. This is important because low power mode can slow down our device, which we don't want. Then, go to the App Store settings and enable automatic downloads. This will ensure that the mod will be automatically downloaded when it's ready. Now, that's all the settings you need to change. We can proceed to the next part. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it will be Safari, and go to the website called lucidapk.com. Lucidapk.com is a website where you can find many modded apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for TikTok++ and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the blue download button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions and you should be fine. Once you complete it, you will have unlimited coins. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.